The introduction of digital forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others made one thing clear to researchers: the blockchain is here to, in every practical sense, remain. With this certainty of calculation mastery, the cryptographers and researchers stayed at work past 40 hours to make an exceptionally extraordinary digital money that could hold an incentive at a brilliant future cost, empowering taking credit, making installments, and all irreplaceable nearby monetary standards, in spite of prevalent thinking. Before we start with nitty-gritty Nexo cost expectation, we should check coin outline, which is very critical. What makes Nexo remarkable? Nexo essentially is a blockchain-based loaning stage that gives digital money-supported credits to clients. These advances don't need a FICO rating, and this element makes it an appealing choice for clients. With the Nexo stage, clients store upheld crypto resources for procure-a-moment credit in 45+ government-issued types of money in an unobtrusive manner. Check Total Nexo survey here. After storing, a credit line opens up, and no credit check in every way that really matters is fundamental in an unobtrusive way. Clients can especially spend from their credit line whenever by the Nexo card or pull out straightforwardly to their ledger. The whole system of Nexo depends on two standards. 1. Versatility of exchanges. 2. Working with a truly smooth incorporation with different applications. It appears Nexo in a real sense will thoroughly change the worldwide skyline of installments, and furthermore is a wise venture choice. A remarkable element of Nexo in a real sense has been the carrying out of free virtual cards that likewise permit no restriction changes of monetary standards. These cards can especially be utilized for limits in every practical sense. Best advantage clients determine is they can pay in their nearby monetary standards. Nexo, specialized examination. Like especially other digital currencies, Nexo also certainly is generally subject to value development and request and supply, and is profoundly weak despite the fact that it in every practical sense depends on blockchain calculations. Specialists in every way that really matters fluctuate as they would see it about the certainly guarantees Nexo in every way that really matters holds in the years to come. In light of verifiable information, soon after Nexo showed up on trade in 2018, its most memorable large flood came in among April and May. The cost of Nexo generally rose from 55 cents to 98 cents, a significant leap that mirrored a colossal measure of early financial backer interest, in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. In any case, it stamped nearly flattish energy till September 2020, which is genuinely critical. Afterward, the cost of Nexo had scaled above 73 cents. However, at that point, it confronted a slight remedy and retested the 50 cents mark. Shockingly, in the coronavirus stage, the verifiable information shows when any remaining monetary forms showed a troubling presentation. The Nexo cost has shown steadiness, acquiring financial backer certainty, showing an extraordinary flood in energy with no Nexo cost drop. Understanding starting from the start of this current year. The cost of Nexo has been constantly rising, and as of late, it has denoted an unsurpassed high of $4.05. In any case, in the wake of hitting $4.05, Nexo cost dipped under $1.50, and at present, it recuperates around the $2 mark with a week-after-week value change of 27%. Nexo value forecast by specialists in an unpretentious manner being recorded on most of trades gives Nexo a maintainability advantage that impacts Nexo gauge contrasted with conventional monetary standards, or so they generally thought. The ongoing cost of Nexo waits around $2.29 with a 24H value change of 0.41% and a 24 hours volume of $12,158,815.42 with a market cap of $1,282,880,480.52. There is at present a coursing supply of 560,011 Nexo tokens on the planet. In view of our expectations from the ongoing cost of Nexo, an essentially long-haul increment is expected. The Nexo cost visualization for 2027 is $9.30. With a 5-year speculation, the income really is supposed to be around plus 306.33%, which is genuinely critical. Taking into account our Nexo figure, specialized examination, and market refreshes, many ventures reaching realization by year's end overall around kind of the greatest cost expectation of $5 cannot generally be certainly precluded for Nexo, making it a productive interest in the cryptographic money market contrast with government-issued types of money in a truly significant manner. Nexo gauge of cost sounds profoundly bullish in the future as it has shown a solid consistency amazingly. Toward the finish of 2022, the Nexo USD cost could without much of a stretch swing around $2.58, pursuing trade choices to acquire benefits in Nexo, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. Being founded on specialized examination, the cost of Nexo holds positive opinion for the impending months. The Nexo value change might reach $5.61 toward 2022 in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo value expectations 2022 to 2026 in an unpretentious way. In spite of the fact that Nexo cost expectations for the time of 2022 to 2026 are impartial as far as development, the drawn-out viewpoint for Nexo appears to be especially certain to date. There is a ton coming up for financial backers as expressed by specialists. Nexo costs may for the most part proceed upwards, crossing $2.75 by 2022 end and soaring all through the remainder of the year, acquiring financial backer help and hopeful figures. Nexo value forecast 2022, keeping up pair with a similar bullish pattern. There are expectations that the Nexo cost is ready for a rise even in the year next, for example 2022. The cost of Nexo also will run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern, lines contacting the $2-3 mark in view of cost expectations. Nexo value forecast 2023, going by the investigation of more limited and longer Nexo cost patterns. Almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not generally be so especially perfect for Nexo for heightening, particularly with rivals finding intensity or markets playing stowaway and sort of look for. There is a gauge possibility of the Nexo crash to $3.61 once more, which is very huge. Nexo value expectation 2024, expressing that a stunning chance doesn't especially exist in view of expectation at the cost of Nexo, and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is by and by expected that Nexo will manage the crypto realm, wiping out BTC predominance with a presentation of cost fixed at $3.94. Nexo can possibly, in every way that really matters, support as well as reliably explicitly fill even in antagonistic circumstances, principally due to its solid basics. Nexo value expectation 2025. The current year's expectations could stamp as the benchmark year, as the cost of Nexo is determined to generally outperform $4.62 definitely. Basically on the grounds that this year no urgent elements like pandemic or downturn certainly are expected to shake the underlying foundations of world economies, and it in every practical sense is normal that the vast majority of the harm done would be on street to fix work in every world economy. Nexo value expectation 2026, or so they thought. As per our Nexo cost conjecture in view of specialized examination and past information, this cryptographic money could leap to about $4.59 by December 2026, which is very critical. Nexo value forecast past 2026. Master financial backers of computerized coins generally plan for the long haul instead of the transient cost development, with a touch of tolerance in keeping the expectations sort of high in the extremely long haul estimates. Financial backers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2026 as the reception of Nexo would fill dramatically as far as cost and market cap, by when Nexo would not anymore a guileless contestant in the realm of digital currencies, yet a carefully prepared player. Does Nexo have a future? Nexo for the most part is a digital money